Welcome to Theme Park Fantasy. This is Beth.
And Ted.
Here we are. Got some more news for you. Wanted to share with you. First and foremost, on June 5th, the parks for Universal will be opening. And a couple of their hotels will be also. When we get those, we will let you know which hotels they are opening. But good news for Universal Parks to be open. That's great.
Finally, we get a little foot traffic out in the parks again.
Yeah, exactly. They put all this work into, definitely the Harry Potters, and I know that there's a lot of them that are missing those areas.
Yeah,
So
yeah. I know right now they're doing the cast previews over there at Universal, and I think also for some pass holders, they're getting in earlier before opening to the general public.
Yep. So they're getting all vamped up and ready for everybody to be coming in for June 5th and afterwards. The other thing is that we wanted to let you know about some changes, stuff, so they are growing more, adding more things in Disney. First and foremost, we know that on July 11th, Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom will be opening up.
Obviously, they'll be adhering to all the new protocols we have: temperature checks, face masks, social distancing, all those goodies.
As well as Universal will also, so make sure you get the stuff that you need to make sure you have, the precautions that you need to do.
Yeah, this is definitely the new one.
It definitely is. And then for
July 15th.
will be EPCOT and Hollywood Studios. For EPCOT, we have found out that Spaceship Earth is going to stay the same for right now. They are not going to remodel that one, which I'm good with.
Yeah, you've got to have a couple rides open in Epcot. They've got the rest of the park torn apart. But
so this is
in
good.
light of all the pandemic and the slowdowns, the 50th coming up, they have made, I think, the very prudent decision to leave Spaceship Earth alone. It's going to be a 2 to 3 year project to start with, and at this point, you got to have something.
So
and,
we're looking forward to getting back on that one.
I was like, that's a nostalgic ride.
It is. It's nostalgic. It's nice to have that. And we also found out that the World Showcase will be opening up for the opening of it, which is good.
Haven't heard anything about food and wine yet. We do know that the cultural cast members, obviously they're having a hard time getting back. A lot of them probably aren't going to get back until we've gotten through the pandemic and travel restrictions have eased. Disney's made the decision to, they've worked with the unions and come to the agreement that, non-cultural cast members will be allowed to work in areas as needed.
Yeah, so that we can get back out there and we can enjoy it again. All right, so next we are going to talk about Disney Springs. We just came there. We had a great lunch at Terralina, and we will be posting the blog on that one for you guys so you can see how that was. Sat outside on their terrace, and it was wonderful. Great social distancing. They had bags on your tables so that you could put your masks in it, which was great. And I was very pleased to see with the extra security that they have added this week due to what's going on in the world. It was nice to know that, they didn't have to, but they did. And it just made it a lot more comfortable for everybody. So that's a good thing. So if anybody else is curious about that. And again, no problem at all. Having your temperature checked and walking right through and enjoying the rest of your day.
Yeah, it was certainly nice and quiet and relaxing down there. I think probably 90% of the stores and restaurants are open.
Yeah, we walked through, and it was good to see that there, hustle and bustle of people out there and walking
We're getting
around.
there. There's still a few that aren't open. I know pretty much all of Morimoto's open now. Raglan Road is still closed. They'll be opening, what did we say, June 10th?
June 10th, we're looking forward to that. Yes.
Yeah, right now their hole in the wall bar is open, and the fast food fish place there is also open.
Correct.
But the physical restaurant, dance room, and all that's all closed at this point.
Yep, that'll be next week for that one.
But other restaurants, I know Paddlefish is a newly opened restaurant. That one's open now. Homecomings is still closed.
Yeah, we saw the construction on Homecomings. There was no date on when that's opening, but they're working on outside seating right now, and they are working really hard. There was quite a
putting in a big patio.
Big patio for outside seating, so they were hustling and bustling. We saw that. That was a good thing.
I know. Same thing over at Chicken Guy. They still haven't finished that patio, but they've been working on that now for a while. But hopefully they'll get that done soon.
The coffee place.
Joffrey's.
Joffrey's are right across from the Was it?
Yosaki.
No, yeah, Misaki and
Haagen-Dazs.
right there. It's gone. I don't know what happened to it. Hope it comes back, but it is gone. The whole thing was gone. That was a surprise.
For the time being, that cart is gone.
Yeah, so don't go running down there to think you're going to get something because there's not even a cart there.
Yep.
So not sure what's up with that one. But wanted to let you guys know that that has been removed.
Other things, you know, House of Blues, I think their restaurant's now open. I did see it on the app today that it was open.
Slowly but surely.
Yeah, slowly. It's about 90%.
It's about 90%.
We're getting there.
That's coming back around.
Boathouse is now, what's the Boathouse doing?
The Boathouse has got their amplifiers running, and this is such a cool feature that they have here. It is a boat that looks like a car, and then you can go for a ride on the lake right next to the boathouse where you have the dock to sit on, which is great seating. It is so cool. So
I've heard that, you know, they seat up to 4. That was pre-pandemic. I've heard rumors that they're going down to seating 3 at a time in the car. You can't really social distance. They're not that big, but still, it's the thought. And also, if you eat at the Boathouse,
then you get a percentage off. So if you're gonna do it, go ahead, dine and wine, have a great time, and then use your receipt, and they'll give you a certain percentage off the ride itself. So it's a fun little tidbit. If you did not know about that, we wanted to shout that out to you. And we also have news that the Best Friends Pet Hotel is open softly. What they're doing is they're open from 9 to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. They are closed Sundays. And what they're doing is they're having curbside drop-off and pickup. They will come out and they will get your little fur baby and take great care of them. And then they will bring them out when you come to pick them up. They're trying to adhere to the social distancing, which is a great, great idea. That way we all know, we've been there, that our animals are loved. We love taking our fur baby there. He loves it.
We frequent there.
Yeah, we do. So it's good to see that they're slowly getting back into business again, too. So we just found that one out. And last but least on our news today is the high-speed Virgin train that is going to be running from Disney to Miami is supposed to be opening up 2022. This will make it a 3-hour trip. It's going to be really great for Disney goers. It just gets you right there to enjoy your trip.
Yeah, they're working hard to come to an agreement to build a station right at Disney.
Yes.
I do know Virgin have been working all through the pandemic on laying track and getting this up to snuff, so they haven't lost any time on it. It's something I think that is well look forward to. It'll take that 4-hour trip from Orlando to Miami down to 3 hours, so it almost allows for people, if you're staying in Disney, to be able to hop on the train and go over to, you know, the world famous Miami Beach for the day.
Yes.
And come back.
Yeah.
Opposed to spending 8 hours, 9 hours. I mean, we all know some of these roads, Route 4 for instance, you know, I-4. It'll make a much better time to just ride the train over and then come back. I think will be a great asset once it's completed.
Absolutely. Looking forward to that when that gets here. But for the moment, this is what we have for you. As we learn more about the parks, we're going to definitely include you, let you know, so that you can make your theme park fantasies come true. This is Beth.
And Ted.
And look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.
And don't forget to hop on over to themeparkfantasy.com and check out all the other reviews and goodies we got there. Thank you very much.